In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Word from opening automatically. This issue can be frustrating, especially when Word launches every time you start your computer or open certain files. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to prevent that behavior and regain control over when the application starts. To begin, open your computer and check if Microsoft Word is set to launch at startup. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, click on the Startup tab. This section shows all programs that automatically run when your computer starts. Look through the list and find Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. If you see it listed as enabled, click on it, then select Disable. This will prevent Word from opening automatically when your system boots up. Next, check your Startup folder. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type shell:startup and press Enter. This will open the Startup folder's share. Shortcuts for startup programs are stored. If you see a Microsoft Word shortcut here, simply delete it. Another thing to check is whether Word is reopening previously opened files. Open Microsoft Word manually. Go to the File tab, then click on Options. In the General section, look for startup-related settings, such as options that reopen documents or show the start screen. Adjust these settings according to your preference. You should also check if Word is opening due to file associations or scheduled tasks. For example, if you have files set to open automatically or scripts triggering Word, you may need to review those settings in your system. After making these changes, restart your computer to confirm that Microsoft Word no longer opens automatically. If the issue persists, double-check each step to ensure nothing was missed. And that's it. You now know how to stop Microsoft Word from opening automatically and take control of your startup programs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.